Ever wondered why we snore? It's not just annoying. It's actually your body trying to tell you something. When we sleep, the muscles in our throat relax. If they relax too much, the airway narrows, or even partially closes. Air trying to squeeze through that narrow space causes the soft tissues to vibrate. And boom, snoring. Common causes: sleeping on your back, being overweight, alcohol before bed, nasal congestion, and sleep apnea. Light snoring? Annoying but usually harmless. Loud, frequent snoring? Could be a sign of a serious sleep disorder. So if you're snoring like a chainsaw, maybe it's time to talk to a doctor. Follow for more cool body facts.